Morning, everybody. Holly has got a
froggy.
Meet Slimy, everyone. Oh.
It's like, nope.
Nope. Alright guys, welcome back to another video at More at Homestead. Before we begin, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. We have got to figure something out. Yep, here it is. I gotta show you something real quick. Been having some trouble with the goats getting out. If you saw on our Rustic Live's live stream today, in the church parking lot, was waiting to go in for communion, I mentioned something that these goats did to something of Lindy's, and she is not happy.
It's crawling up my arm.
And looking at it, I can tell why now. So I'm going to come over here and show you this and show you what they got into when they got out while we was at church. And I'm going to show you what I did. I thought I had it patched up well enough on that east side over there, northeast corner, to where they wouldn't be getting out anymore. But apparently I did not. So I'm going to show you what they did. Mom ain't happy at all. So these are her hostas. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but
They ate it.
they ate it. I'm sure it'll grow back, maybe. No, I don't know.
Yeah, it still has its roots. That means it can grow.
So, well, thank you there, Miss Biologist. So, we have got to do something to keep these turkeys from getting out when we're gone, or turkeys, to keep these goats from getting out when we're gone.
You know where I found him?
First off, I want to rewire that up. They broke that one off right there. They were getting underneath it, some feed that spilt out, and they, I guess, I didn't have it tightened good enough on bottom, so they got out. But I'm going to head over there, get some more baling wire. We'll tighten that up, and then we're going to go check on these goats. Now I know some of y'all are gonna be making fun of my outfit, but don't be doing that, because if you don't think tall socks with shorts are cool, then you don't know style, okay? Because that's cool. Check out my new shirt. Keeping it Dutch style. Whoa. All right, so Hallie, my little helper. Where's she at? Right there. She's going to drag this up. Hey, Hallie, over here. Sissy, over here. She's going to drag that right here. And I'm going to really put the wire to it. Thank you, Sissy. Get back, Ruthie. Quit licking me, you dirty dog. Quit licking me, you little freak. Ruthie, quit licking me, you little freak. Quit it. Hey, quit. You're disgusting. Hey, Sissy, I didn't know you were still over here.
I wasn't over here.
Oh, you just got over here?
Yeah.
Think that'll hold them?
No.
You don't?
No, just kidding.
Thor's gonna eat your little frog.
Panther almost ate him. He jumped off when I was coming for Sis over here.
Really?
He survived. Is Slimy a boy or a girl?
I don't know how to tell frogs.
It looks like a boy. I don't care if it's a boy does that. I just like that. Hunting.
What?
You can take this little guy hunting. He's camo.
Probably won't.
Why?
Give him a kiss. See if he turns into a prince.
No.
Holly, you could save a prince's life.
It's not a prince. You just said princess.
A prince's life. Come on, sissy. Sissy. Well, I think they're hungry. What do you think?
Yeah.
Shall we put some feed in there? All right. Yep. Oh.
I gotta go do some stuff.
With what?
Grandma usually has cans and stuff. She can poke holes in it and make a home for Froggy.
Let's see if Eeyore finally noses his way in there or not. There we go. All right, let's go check on these chickens and then we'll figure out that pen. But I'm gonna see if nope, she's not there. I got a Brody hen the other day and she was very protective over those eggs, and I should have left her on there instead of taking those eggs and let her try to hatch them out herself, but I didn't, and I should have. We're gonna go in here and see how many eggs we got and all that jazz. Oh, it's warm today. It's supposed to heat up to near 80 today. What's up? Cool. A few eggs in there. Couple turkey eggs. Normally, yep, for whatever reason, we got one stinking banty that gets in here and lays an egg every time. Now we're gonna go check on this fence. So if you all didn't follow if you don't follow our social media accounts, Facebook, did you put anything of the tournament yesterday on Instagram?
Mm-mm.
She's slacking on the Instagram account. So.
I mean, I can right now.
But if you guys don't follow us on Facebook, make sure. I know all y'all got a Facebook, or at least most of you guys. So go look us up, More at Homestead on Facebook. And you guys, it's baseball season. Hunter and the team, man, they did so good yesterday. 6U ball. Rained us out Friday night, right? So we had to, Thor! No, sir. So they rained us out yesterday, Friday. So we had to make a game. It's supposed to be at 8 o'clock Saturday. So we get up at 6:45. Thankfully it got pushed back to 9, so we let Hunter sleep a little longer. Started ball, got there at 8:30 yesterday morning, left the parking lot at 5:30. So we was there for 9 hours playing ball. They played 9 o'clock, 10:15, 11:30, 12:45. I don't know, we got it at 5 o'clock. They played like 5 straight games, I think, when it's all said and done. They had one game break because they were running behind there for a little bit. But it should have been back to back games. And so we lost the first one, got put in the losers bracket, had to battle our way all the way back, but brought home the championship. So the boys did really good. For 6U, they all, for the most part, paid attention. Although, as a coach and the other coaches, it's a full-time job keeping them that way. Especially after 4 or 5 games, they're kind of just done. So they did a great job, though. And
Slimy.
Hallie's back with her Slimy.
The house.
Okay, where's its grass? Where's its bugs?
I'm working on that still.
Oh, okay.
Now just put the holes in it.
She's working on that still. All right, well, I'm going to go over here now and see if I can tell where these dadgum goats are getting out. I don't know what is going on. I found a spot where it looked like they were crawling under it. Had a lot of goat fur on the ground, and the wire was kind of pulled back off the tree. If you don't remember, me and Gary from Walker Farm Fam was putting this fence up. We got to these spots here on actually the east and west side, and on the north side of it, it's just rocky as all get out. So we weren't able to get any T-posts in. Well, we kind of used trees here and there and kind of just did what we could. But I don't know where this thing's getting out at. Unless they're climbing up on this tree stump here and climbing up over the fence, which is possible, I guess. I think that's what they're doing. I think they're climbing up on this and jumping over. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. Alright, so what I'm going to do, these goats are climbing up on this stump behind me here. Right there it looks like, and they're jumping over this. So I got a piece of scrap field fence over here that I think's long enough. I'm going to bring it up on this tree right here. I'm going to bedding wire it to it and then run it down to that next tree. Hopefully there's enough, and it'll keep them from being able to climb over this spot right here. That's the only thing I could see. But I can see some fur on that stump right there, and it looks like where they've been climbing over it. And there's some fur right here on the ground where they've been coming over the top of that, I believe. So hopefully this works. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna be buying Mama some more hostas, because they getting ate up. So I'm gonna grab this wire right now. Let's see. Just about done. We're going to put these final touches on this. I'm going to come through here and just put some bedding wire sporadically through there and just kind of tie it in together. Whoa, what'd you do to this thing?
I just picked it up.
Whoa.
I didn't do anything. That's what it was.
No. No.
I literally just picked it up.
No. No way.
I swear.
It was perfectly round.
No, it was not.
It was.
Well, not when I picked it up.
Hold these.
trying to be lovey.
Yes, he's super loving.
Can I try, Daddy?
Yeah. Go right here. Only if you don't smack. Okay, we're going to cross it like that. And take these pliers. Put them right around both of them. Nope. Nope. Alright. Look at that. Squeeze it tight. And then keep it squeezed tight and twist. There we go. Keep it squeezed. Perfect.
I'll do another one.
Nope.
What's that? There.
Up there. Squeeze it tight and twist. Okay.
The weird looking one.
Yep. Hold on. Make sure you get them both right. There. Even. Squeeze it tight, twist.
Look awfully cute for doing farm chores.
You are? Awful spiffed up. Got one more?
One more.
Alright, Sissy, where should we put it? Let's put it somewhere.
Right here.
Yeah, I think so too. Squeeze that in. Squeeze that in tight like that. Alright, there you go. Nope. Go through the cross, remember? Through the cross. Perfect. Think that'll work? Think that'll keep them from getting out?
Yeah.
It's pretty tall, ain't it? It's way up here.
She won't be able to jump over that. If she does, she's going to have a bad landing.
Yeah. Alrighty, well, you got to see, we got that fixed. We rewired the goat feeder. We gave you a little update on Hunter's baseball, how that's going. Now what do we got to do? You've seen Slimy the frog.
But they haven't seen his house.
Yes, you showed the house. Oh, with all the furniture in it?
Yeah.
We gotta go look at Slimy's furniture. Then we'll close out this video because we've got to go to Poppy's house for his 83rd birthday. Sound right? So we will take you over here and show you Slimy, close out this video, and then we have got to run. Hopefully I'll get this up. This is Sunday. Hopefully I'll get this up Monday. Hopefully I'll have time this afternoon, this evening to edit it when we get back and upload it. I know it's been over a week since I have. I apologize. Hunter had ball games Monday night, Tuesday night, the church Wednesday night, Thursday night, Friday night rained out. Okay, it was storming, so I didn't get a video. And then all day Saturday we had games, Sunday church, communion. Now I'm videoing this, so hopefully tomorrow I'll get this out and get back on schedule, on routine. We've got to plant the garden this week, and we have got to plant Grow Jack's giant pumpkin contest seeds we got in. So we'll be doing all that next week. Yeah. Come show the house. Yeah, I showed him the hosta.
Yeah, she ate the top off of it.
She ate the top off of it.
Stay on your couch.
Stay on your couch.
It's on his couch. It's a rock.
A rock, got some grass. Got any bugs in there?
No.
What's he gonna eat?
Ants.
Alright guys, that's what's happening on the homestead right now. Should have another doctor's appointment coming up, so we'll have a baby update shortly. Right?
Yeah, I go every 3 weeks now instead of every 4.
Every 3 weeks. I think there's been 2 already, so that should be coming up. But hey, if you guys like this video, smash that like button. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet on Morgan Homestead, please subscribe and ring that notification bell because you do not want to miss anything that's going on this summer. We got some pretty cool stuff going on, so make sure you check out these videos and stay up to date. Thanks for watching. Till next time. God bless.